Hey guys, welcome back to Rack of Lamb. On my channel, I've shared with you easy recipes for some Chinese roast meats or dam liu. There's crispy pork belly or cherry pei siu yuk, as well as cha siu. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple recipe for another highly requested dam liu. My daughter will teach you how to say it in Cantonese.
A chicken wing. A chicken wing.
呢個係豉油雞。
豉根。
豉油雞。
雞。
豉油。
豉油。
雞。
雞。
豉油雞。
豉油雞。
That's right, it's for soy sauce chicken or 豉油雞. What makes my recipe easier is we'll be using 3 light quarters weighing about 1 to 1 1/4 pound each rather than a whole chicken. I like to trim off excess fat and skin before proceeding. To ensure we have the beautiful dark brown hue on the skin of the chicken, we're going to coat the leg quarters with about 1 1/2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. What I like about this recipe is the use of dark meat only. I tend to skip the breast when served an entire bird because the meat can be rather dry. For the same reason, when ordering soy sauce chicken over rice from vendors in Chinatown, I'd often say, 唔該一個豉油雞飯，要黑肉唔要白肉. Therefore, this method will be ideal for those who prefer dark meat like myself. If you prefer white meat or a combination of both, feel free to use a whole chicken. After coating the chicken with dark soy sauce, allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes while you prepare other ingredients, which includes slicing a large thumb of ginger and tying 2 stalks of scallions, which always seems to come loose for me. In addition to the ginger and scallions, you will also need about 3 tablespoons of rock sugar, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 3 1/2 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soy, 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 3 tablespoons of neutral oil, and your leg quarters. In a wok or large pot, you're going to heat the oil over medium-high heat, swirling to coat evenly. Add the ginger and scallions and stir fry until aromatic. Add the star anise, bay leaf, and rock sugar. Then stir for another 30 seconds. Now add the water, Shaoxing wine, dark soy, and light soy. Mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now close the lid and bring the marinade to a boil. Next, you're going to transfer the 3 leg quarters into the wok skin side down. Don't waste any of the remaining dark soy sauce in the bowl. Now close the lid, turn the heat to medium, and cook the chicken for about 20 minutes. If you're using leg quarters smaller than mine, use less time or adjust accordingly. After 20 minutes, turn off the fire and let the chicken soak for 30 minutes with the lid still on. After 30 minutes, you're going to remove the leg quarters from the wok. Transfer them to a plate and allow them to cool. Wow, look at the color! You didn't think we were going to discard the delicious sauce, did you? While the chicken is resting, we're going to turn the fire to low, make a cornstarch slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, then pour them into the broth while stirring continuously. You may remove the ginger, scallions, and other ingredients in the sauce. When the sauce has thickened to your liking, turn off the fire. When it's cooled enough, store it in the fridge for use in other dishes. Trust me, you will enjoy it. How easy was it to prepare this 豉油雞? Honestly, I think the hardest part of the process is cutting the quarters into pieces with my cleaver. You can eat them whole, but 話明係斬料梗係要斬. If you plan to cut the leg quarters, please sharpen your knives, watch your fingers, and be very careful. Sigh, this is why I have calluses on my hands. Well, it was all worth it. I plated the 豉油雞, then brushed the sauce on the skin so that it's glistening and extra umami. Then I served the 豉油雞 with some white rice and sauce on the side. My family used the sauce as a drizzle over the rice and as a dip for the chicken. Well, I hope you guys will try out my recipe. If you do, please share your feedback in the comments below or on my blog rackoflam.com, where you can find printable versions to all my recipes. And if you enjoy my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.